Hey there, Excel wizards and spreadsheet superheroes. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to lock down those pesky cells in your Excel spreadsheet to keep them safe and sound from accidental overwrites. Are you ready to get your protect and lock on? Let's do this. You'll see that we have some sales data in this table for different products. The bottom row has formulas to calculate the sum of sales for each week, and column G has the grand totals for each product. We want to leave the cells with sales data unlocked for editing, but keep the formulas, weeks, and product cells read-only. Step 1. Check your lock options. Click the top left-hand corner of the spreadsheet to highlight everything. Right-click and select Format Cells. Check the Locked option on the Protection tab. If it's not selected, make sure to check it. This locks all the cells in the sheet. Click OK and move on to Step 2. Unlock those cells that need editing. Right-click again and select Format Cells. For the cells you want to be editable, uncheck the locked box. This leaves them open for editing and ready for your team to input their sales data. Click OK and let's move on to the final step. Protect your sheet with a password. Go to the Review tab and click on Protect Sheet. Set a password for added security and confirm it by re-entering it. Click OK and you're all set. The cells you selected are now protected and read-only. If you try to type into a protected cell, it won't work because it's locked down. But you can still edit the unprotected cells with sales data. And if you need to undo the protection, simply go to the Review tab, click on Protect Sheet, type in your password, and voila! All the cells are back to being editable. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below, and watch another video tutorial on how to in 2 minutes.